good in, good out, bad in, bad out. So by design, if you and I do this once, twice, or in my case, 1,000 times, do you believe something good is going to happen over the course of 1,000 episodes? And the answer is unquestionably yes, because Matt, the reason you and I are talking right this second is because a decade ago, I made the decision to say, I'm all into my dreams. And that dream includes teaching myself podcasting to where I became the expert so I can help empower people to be a more powerful creator. Matt, you and I working together is not about podcasting. It's about giving you a tool that you have in your tool belt to make you a more powerful creator, to create growth and impact in your life. Because so many people are short-sighted and just see today without realizing what can actually be done. Because Matt, I know you're creating an amazing brand. I know you are going to do absolutely amazing things. And you can't get to episode 1,000 without getting to episode 3.